Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Candy brand dishwasher and you want to do a reset on it. I'm going to talk to you about how to do that, and in case like maybe it's acting funny or maybe you're getting error codes or something like that and you're not really sure what to do, you just want to do a reset on it. I'm going to talk to you about two things you can do. One of them is only going to work on certain models, and that's going to be that you're going to have the door open, and while the door is open you're going to press the start reset button and hold it for 3 seconds. And once you do that, you'll hear it will make like an audible beep, and it will go through a reset cycle. Now, if you want to do a hard reset, regardless of model, then you can just do it the old-fashioned way, which is make sure that your dishwasher is turned off, and then unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit. Make sure there's no power to it, and leave it disconnected from power for at least a minute, and really the longer the better for just the electronics to get totally cleared out. And then once you turn it on, it will cycle through and start up again in its default mode. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.